Today, I'm going to show you how to use Notion step by step in 2026 because honestly, a lot of people download Notion, open the app, and immediately feel completely lost. And honestly, at first, the platform can look a little overwhelming. But once you understand how it works, you start realizing why so many people use Notion for productivity, work studying, organization, and content creation. So in this video, you're going to learn what Notion is show to organize your pages and the most important features beginners should know. First, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one productivity and organization platform. Basically, it allows you to create pages, take notes, build task lists, manage projects, save information, create calendars, and organize almost everything in one place. And the best party, you can customize almost everything inside the platform. Now, the first step, create your account. You can go directly to the official Notion website, Notion official website, or download the app on your phone or computer. Then, simply sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple account. And honestly, the whole process only takes a few minutes. Now, when you open Notion for the first time, you'll see your main workspace. And this is usually where beginners get confused because Notion works using pages and blocks. Pages are basically your workspaces or documents, and blocks are the pieces you place inside each page. For example, text, images, checklists, stables, videos, or calendars. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, creating a page. Simply click New Page. Then you can give it a title, add an icon, choose a cover image, and start writing immediately. And honestly, from there, you can already start organizing almost anything. Now, here's one of the most powerful features in Notion: commands. Whenever you type a / on your keyboard, a huge menu appears with different tools. For example, you can add headings, lists, tables, calendars, images, videos, or full databases. And honestly, this is one of the reasons why Notion feels so flexible because it makes building pages much faster and easier. Now, let's talk about organization, because this is why most people use Notion. You can create pages for work, school, content ideas, daily planning, goals, habits, business projects, or personal organization. And the best part, everything stays connected inside the same workspace. Now, another very important feature, databases, and honestly, they sound more complicated than they actually are. Databases help you organize information, like a smart table. For example, you can create content calendars, task managers, project trackers, or weekly planners, and you can switch between table view, calendar, view, list view, or Kanban boards, which makes organizing information much easier. Now, another huge advantage, cross-device, syncing everything. Updates automatically across your devices, so you can start working on your computer and continue later on your phone or tablet. This is extremely useful for students, creators, and remote workers. Now let's talk about templates, because this is one of the most popular features in Notion. The platform includes tons of ready-to-use templates for productivity, studying, business, content creation, habit tracking, finance, and much more. And honestly, templates can save beginners a huge amount of time. Now, something important: do not try to learn every feature on your first day, because honestly, this is why many people quit using Notion too early. They try to master everything immediately and end up feeling overwhelmed. Instead, start simple, use basic notes, task lists, and simple organization first, then slowly learn more advanced features over time. Now, another important tip, keep your workspace organized, because once you start creating too many random pages, things can become messy very quickly. So try using clear page, names, folders, and categories from the beginning. Now, let's be honest for a second. The reason so many people love Notion is because it adapts to almost any type of person: students, creators, business owners, freelancers, teams, and even companies. All use it differently. And honestly, that flexibility is what makes the platform so powerful. So to wrap this up, if you want to start using Notion in 2026, all you really need to do is create an account, understand how pages and blocks work, learn/commands, and start organizing. Simple things little by little. Because honestly, once you understand how it works, you start realizing why Notion became one of the most popular productivity tools in the world.